Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Guyton Physiology. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout, noting how chapters build upon each other. Prioritize understanding the fundamental principles of each system before diving into intricate mechanisms. Always begin your study session by reviewing the chapter objectives and conclude by thoroughly reading the summary to consolidate your learning. This approach ensures a strong foundational grasp. When reading, engage actively by highlighting or underlining crucial sentences and phrases. Don't just passively read, pause to synthesize information. Develop your own brief notes and simple diagrams to illustrate complex processes, which aids retention. Pay special attention to the figures and tables, as they often summarize vast amounts of information visually and are critical for understanding. This active engagement makes a significant difference. To truly solidify your understanding, make sure to answer all the end-of-chapter questions. These are designed to test your comprehension and recall. Forming a study group and discussing challenging concepts with peers can provide new perspectives and clarify doubts. Furthermore, try to connect the physiological principles you learn to real-world clinical scenarios. This makes the information more relevant and easier to remember. For advanced study, integrate your physiology knowledge with other subjects like anatomy, pharmacology, and pathology to see the bigger picture. This holistic view enhances your understanding of disease processes. Flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing specific facts, formulas, and normal values, allowing for quick recall. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, so you can take your studies with you wherever you go. Consistent review is key to long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.